This conference will now be
गुरुदेव
recorded.
महेश्वर गुरुदेव परम ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। परम प्रेममय श्री श्री ठाकुर अनुकूल चंद्र जी का श्रीहस्त लिखित ग्रंथ सत्यानुसरण। जिस काम में तुम्हें विरक्ति और क्रोध आ रहे हैं, निश्चय जानो वो व्यर्थ होने को है। कार्य साधन के समय उससे जो विपदा आएगी उसके लिए राजी रहो। विरक्त या अधीर ना होना सफलता तुम्हारी दासी बनेगी। चेष्टा करो, दुख न करो, कातर मत हो जाओ, सफलता आएगी ही। आज इस ऑनलाइन सत्संग में हमारे साथ देश विदेश से गुरु भाई आज हमारे साथ ज्वाइन कर चुके हैं। मैं सबको अपना रानंदी जय गुरु और प्रणाम देता हूं। आज हमारे साथ ठाकुर जी के जन्म जगह से उस देश से ज्वाइन किया एक छोटा सा लड़का शुभो। मैं उनसे अनुरोध करता हूं कि अपना भजन प्रस्तुत करे। शुभो।
सभी को मेरा आनंदित जय गुरु। और आप सभी हमारे ठाकुर के जन्म स्थान बांग्लादेश पे जरूर आएगा। रानंदित जय गुरु।
जय गुरु जय गुरु। बहुत अच्छा भजन, इतना मधुर आपका संगीत भजन था। और the days are not very far away when Bangladesh will be declared at the holy place like the Jerusalem or like the Makkah. You know the Makkah is very famous for the birthplace of Prophet Muhammad, and Jerusalem is very famous for Jesus Christ's birthplace. So the day is not very far away when the Bangladesh, the Pabna will be declared as the world holy place for the birthplace of the Sisi Thakur and Kul Chandra. And from that place, this little boy present a very beautiful bhajan for us. Thank you so much. Jai Guru. राइट नाउ हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं चेन्नई से। चेन्नई का एक कहानी बताना चाहता हूँ। चेन्नई ऐसा एक मंदिर है जहाँ पे एकमात्र जहाँ पे शंख बजा के मंदिर में प्रार्थना होता है। पूरे चेन्नई शहर में कहीं पे भी शंख नहीं बजता है। तो परम पूज्य पाद दादा को देख के, आचार्य देव को देख के वहाँ के जो पंडित लोग थे, वो पंडित लोग ने वो परमिशन दिया वहाँ पे शंख बजाने के लिए। उसी चेन्नई शहर से हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं सुमानी चक्रवर्ती माँ। मैं उनसे अनुरोध करता हूँ एक भजन प्रस्तुत करने के लिए। सुमानी माँ। माँ आपका ऑडियो नहीं आ रहा है, ऑडियो नहीं आ रहा है। सुमानी माँ आपका ऑडियो नहीं आ रहा है। माँ आपका ऑडियो नहीं आ रहा है। सुमानी माँ आपका ऑडियो नहीं आ रहा है, ऑडियो नहीं आ रहा है, ऑडियो ऑन कीजिए।
हेलो।
हाँ अभी आ रहा है, अभी आ रहा है।
हाँ जय गुरु जय गुरु
जय गुरु जय गुरु।
सुनो रे भाई मेरे मालिक जगत की नाम। सुनो रे भाई मेरे मालिक जगत की नाम। उन्हें दयाल का चरण पकड़ ले, उन्हें दयाल का चरण पकड़ ले, काल करे ना घात मालिक जगत के नाम। सुनो रे भाई मेरे मालिक जगत के नाम। संगी न साथी मीत न कोई, ठगने आए बंधु भाई। संगी न साथी मीत न कोई, ठगने आए बंधु भाई। चेतो भी शरण में आओ, चेतो भी शरण में आओ, चरण झुकाओ मालिक जगत के नाम। सुनो रे भाई मेरे मालिक जगत के नाम। धन संपद सब कामनाई, माया बंधन छीन में जावे। धन संपद सब कामनाई, माया बंधन छीन में जावे। दो पल का मिट जावेगा, दो पल का मालिक जगत के नाथ। सुनो रे भाई मेरे मालिक जगत के नाथ। साध गुरु का कहना मानो, भक्ति प्रेम को मन में ठानो। साध गुरु का कहना मानो, भक्ति प्रेम को मन में ठानो। सेवक बढ़कर उन्हीं को पाओ, सेवक बढ़कर, सेवक बढ़कर उन्हीं को पाओ, प्रभु पकड़ेंगे हाथ, मालिक जगत के नाथ। सुनो रे भाई मेरे मालिक जगत के नाथ। उन्हीं दयाल का चरण पकड़ ले, उन्हीं दयाल का चरण पकड़ ले, काल करेगा घात, मालिक जगत के नाथ। सुनो रे भाई मेरे मालिक जगत के नाथ, मेरे दयाल जगत के नाथ, मेरे ठाकुर जगत के नाथ। जय गुरु।
जय गुरु माँ। बहुत सुंदर भजन। सत्संग को आगे बढ़ाते हुए मैं कुछ कहना चाहता हूँ। ये जो यूनिवर्स है, इस यूनिवर्स में हमने एस्ट्रोनॉमी, मेरे मास्टर डिग्री में एस्ट्रोनॉमी था, तो मैंने कुछ स्टडी किया था, थोड़ा बहुत नॉलेज है। तो इस पूरे ब्रह्मांड में 1 बिलियन गैलेक्सी है और एक एक गैलेक्सी में 1 बिलियन स्टार है। जैसे सन है, सन एक स्टार है, उसी तरह ऐसे 1 बिलियन स्टार हर एक गैलेक्सी में है और उसी गैलेक्सी 1 बिलियन गैलेक्सी है पूरी दुनिया में। तो ठाकुर, श्री ठाकुर जब आ रहे थे अपने दयाल देश से, तो ठाकुर ने हमारे सान को केंद्र करके इस सोलर सिस्टम में एंटर किया था। और उनके जो दयाल देश है, अगर ये पृथ्वी में लाइफ एग्जिस्ट कर रहा है तो सारे इस ब्रह्मांड में बहुत जगह पे लाइफ एग्जिस्ट कर रहा है। तो ठाकुर का जो देश है दयाल देश, ठाकुर जब हमारे यहाँ पे आ रहे थे, इस पृथ्वी में आ रहे थे, तो सूर्य को केंद्र करके आ रहे थे। और उन्होंने जब जन्म लिया, भूमिष्ठ हुआ बांग्लादेश पाबना के हिमायतपुर गांव में, तो ये जो स्थान इन्होंने चूज किया, जो लैंड, मतलब प्रभु का जो जन्म हुआ, वो एक पुण्य भूमि बन गया। ये जो हमारे परम सौभाग्य है कि हमारे छोटे सुबह ने हम लोग को इनवाइट किया उस बांग्लादेश जाने के लिए। हम लोग तो जरूर आएंगे बांग्लादेश। और उसी बांग्लादेश से हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं अभी डॉक्टर अंजन देव रॉय, सेक्रेटेरिएट गवर्नमेंट ऑफ बांग्लादेश। ये हम लोगों का परम सौभाग्य है। दादा आज हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं उसी देश से जहाँ पे ठाकुर जी का जन्म हुआ। ये एक पवित्र भूमि है और दादा से हम अनुरोध करते हैं कि सत्संग को आगे बढ़ाते हुए, दादा, whatever you feel like, you can use the English or the Bengali or Hindi, whatever you feel like. It is my request, you can do your jajan in any language. It's not a barrier at all. Dada, Dr. Anjan Dev Roy from Bangladesh.
Jai Guru Dada, do you hear me?
Yeah, we are hearing you, Dada.
Okay. At the very outset, I offer my pranam to the lotus feet of Param Dayal Sri Thakur. I offer my pranam to the lotus feet of Sri Boroma, to the lotus feet of Sri Borda, to the lotus feet of Acharya Sri Dada, the lotus feet of Acharya Babaida, Pujaniya Babaida, and Pujaniya Binkida, and all the members of Thakur's family. And at the same time, I offer my Joy Guru to all of you. Please accept my Joy Guru. Reverend brothers and mothers, I don't speak Hindi. I don't know whether everybody understand or not. So I will try to use 10% I know, the whatever, that is definitely kind of wrong, but just to make you understand sometimes. Prabhakarda as mentioned that how Thakur came from Doyal Desh. Thank you, Dada, for your nice brief introduction. And this is really important for us to understand who is Thakur, from where he has come, what is his real identity. Because we are in such a material world where our education doesn't give this teaching, our parents do not give this teaching, and actually no one actually talks or teaches us to know about this essence or this genesis. So this is very important. Look, Thakur in Devgarh, he was discussing with the disciples. Then he mentioned that, do you know how Param Dayal comes to this material world? Then Thakur said, when all the devas were attacked or frightened by the Asuras, then all devas went to a place and they got together. তারা একত্রে হয়েছিল, and they all in a body prayed to the omnipotent. তারা গডের কাছে প্রার্থনা করলো, নারায়ণের কাছে। They prayed to Lord Narayan. The Lord, Prabhu, save us. आप हमको रक्षा करो. Thakur described this story and it was written in Alochana Prasange, probably 22nd part, in the 22nd part. Thakur wanted to brief us that the God comes to this material world when the prayer of all the people who are the sufferers, all together their prayers goes to the Lord. Then Lord himself responds to come to this world in a human body. That means Thakur came to Hemayatpur in Pabna in Bangladesh. That means the prayer, that was the sufferings of all the people in that time, and even today. ওই সবার সমবেত প্রার্থনার the consequence, the result হলো ঠাকুরের আবির্ভাব. ঠাকুর came to this world. এটা ঠাকুর বর্ণনা করেছেন তিনি কিভাবে আসলেন. Actually, then Thakur mentioned that when all the devas prayed together, then Lord Vishnu blessed them, and তখনই দেবীর আবির্ভাব হয়েছে. The goddess came with all the power to save the devas. তারপরে সমুদ্র মন্থন, we know, এবং দেবী, how he saved them, we know the history. So that is basically the emergence of our Lord Sri Thakur Anukul Chandra. So I was briefed that you are eager to know about Pabna and Hemayatpur, the Thakur's place. So I will just try to present the geography of Pabna, geography of Hemayatpur. হেমায়তপুরের যে প্রাকৃতিক অবস্থাটা আমি তুলে ধরার চেষ্টা করব, to present you. Thakur's mother's name is Monmohini Devi. Now, she was not an ordinary lady. How we can understand? When she was a little child, very little, like 8-9 years old. Then she was worshipping, or she was crying. She became very eager to get Lord. ঈশ্বরকে পাওয়ার জন্য মনমনি দেবী কাঁদছিল। Her father's name was Ramendra Narayan Chaudhuri. Ramendra Narayan Chaudhuri was her father, and she was crying to her father. A little baby, little girl, you know, a little girl cries or demands something to her father. That is very natural. But it was going on and on. And then her father became sympathized towards Mother Monmoni Devi, the little Monmohini. You know, the Monmoni Devi's village name was Hemayatpur, where Thakur was born. What happened? When there is a problem which is unsolved, then in a village, the household or the owner of the village, he asks someone who is wise or who has the authority. And then Ramendra Narayan Chaudhuri, who was the father of Monmoni Devi, that means the grandfather of Sri Thakur Anukul Chandra, he invited one gentleman who had the authority over the other neighbors and the villagers. His name was Bhagavan Shiromani. Ramendra Narayan Chaudhuri invited Bhagavan Shiromani, and he came to his house, and then Ramendra Narayan Chaudhuri briefed him what Monmoni Devi was wanting, or for what she was crying for. That means she wanted to see the God, little girl. Then Bhagavan Shiromani asked her, and she came to him, and then he was telling her, মা শোনো, ভগবানকে যদি পেতে হয় তাহলে তার মন্ত্র লাগবে। You need to have a mantra to get Bhagavan. मंत्र बिना आप तुमको तो भगवान मिला नहीं। तुम then Monmoni Devi responded, okay, ठीक है, तुम मैं के मंत्र दाओ, give me mantra. Then Bhagavan Shiromani gave the mantra of Lord Shiva. Monmoni Devi was very happy after getting the mantra of Lord Shiva. And then he went to the pond. On the bank of the pond, he took some clay, and she prepared a statue of Lord Shiva with that clay from her own pond. And Monmoni Devi, with that idol made of clay by herself, and she was praying every day with that mantra. And her company was her younger brother Luha. Monmoni Devi had few brothers and sisters, but unfortunately they died. Only the Luha, his name was Juganarayan Chaudhuri, and his nickname was Luha. Luha was alive, and other died, except Monmoni Devi and Luha. So she took her younger brother, and she was uttering the mantra again. Then what happened? Days after days, she was crying. She did not get the Lord. And after doing several days, then she went to her father again. Father, I did not see the Lord, but he gave me the mantra of Lord Shiva, but I want Radha Madhav. I want Radha Madhav, Lord Krishna. Then the father was very, he didn't know what to do. Then the father, just to satisfy her, Ramendra Narayan Chaudhuri told Monmoni Devi, okay, you go to sleep, so how you can see? You need to remain awake to get your Radha Govinda. She was a little girl, so you should not sleep. Just father, whimsically, just to satisfy her, he said that. what happened, that little girl took it very seriously. And with her little brother, they slept in the temple house. You know, in the village, there is a temple house which was separate from the dwelling house. And she slept, you know, taking her younger brother with her. And thus that little girl was uttering the mantra to see the Radha Madhav. And after several days, Radha Madhav came in his real form. That is the Manmohani Devi, who was the mother of God of the universe, Sri Sri Thakur Anukul Chandra, who in her little age, who got Radha Madhav, Lord Krishna, and who saw Lord Krishna in his real body. And then, you know, and she was, you know, telling that story, and everybody was surprised. And after that, she saw one gentleman who gave him the real mantra in the dream. That is Huzur Maharaj from Agra. After so many days, when she was married with Shivcharan Chakraborty, then she visited one neighbor's house who was the relative of Shivcharan Chakraborty. And her husband was working in a different place other than Pabna. When in a holiday, he went to visit his house. Then Manmohani Devi came across that gentleman was worshipping a photo. That photo was the Huzur Maharaj. Manmohani Devi, just after seeing that, I'm just making my speech brief, and I will go in details after that. She was fainted after seeing the photograph of Huzur Maharaj, because she remembered that in the dream she got the mantra from that gentleman. And then everybody went, what happened to Monu? Monu got fainted. When she recovered her consciousness, then everybody asked what happened. Then she told that was the gentleman who gave me the mantra in my dream, with Huzur Maharaj. Then she came to know that is the Guru of Agra, Santa Guru. And she promised that I must go to Agra to meet my Guru. And she went to Agra. She met the Guru, and the Guru loved her as his own daughter. So I just wanted to brief you that is the Manmohani Devi who gave birth to the God of the universe. Then what happened? You know, Manmohani Devi, at her age, when she was only 12, she was married to Shivcharan Chakraborty, because Manmohani Devi's father died. So her mother's name was Krishna Sundari Devi. So she married her daughter to Shivcharan Chakraborty. Shivcharan Chakraborty was little bit aged, and she was working as a contractor in Pabna. And he was residing in her cousin's house in Pabna. And after getting married with Manmohani Devi, for 4 years, she was working as a contractor in Pabna. And in the meantime, as I told, that Manmohani Devi's father died. Then what happened? The Pabna in that time was a village of crime, was a village of all the misdeeds. I will tell some of the stories so that you can understand in which place our God was born, so that you can just fathom that from where Thakur came, and Thakur enlightened us. Then after 4 years, what happened? She was a widow, Krishna Sundari Devi. All the neighbors, all the villagers, they were taking all the land and properties, and they lodged several false cases against Krishna Sundari Devi, so that her lands and properties they could grab. what happened? Then Krishna Sundari Devi asked her son-in-law, Baba, तुम मेरी पास आओ जाओ and तुम मेरे साथ हेमायतपुर गांव का live and please take care of all the properties. Otherwise, all my neighbors and villagers will grab with their false cases. Do you know that Thakur's father's place was not Hemayatpur? It was the name of the father's village was Guakhara. Was that Chatmore, a place of Pabna, and in Chatmore the name of the village was Guakhara. But just to protect his mother-in-law's property, he was residing with with her mother-in-law, and that is the reason Thakur was born in Hemayatpur. But Hemayatpur was not Thakur's father's village. Many people who don't know it. Thakur's father's village name was Guakhara. The name was Guakhara. It was in Chatmore. And then Shivcharan Chakraborty was taking care of all the property, and somehow he was recovering. He was recovering the properties from all others. Then what happened? Thakur was born in the main term in 1888. We know that. And Shivcharan Chakraborty, as I told, that Manmohani Devi went to Delhi to meet her guru. She had a neighbor. Her name was Amrita Sundari Devi. And Amrita Sundari Devi was landlady, Jamindar. After the death of her husband, Upananana Chaudhary, was the Jamindar of 2 states. One was in Dhaka, you know, the capital city. Now I am living. And another one is Mymensingh. It is the divisional city in Bangladesh. So Amrita Sundari Devi, she received the responsibility to maintain the 2 jamindaris in Dhaka and in Mymensingh. So what happened? He became little poor because he spent all the money and like that. But what happened? As I told, that when Manmohani Devi went to Agra, she took Amrita Devi, that means the landlady, to meet Amrita Devi was Manmohani Devi's sister of her father, Ramananda.
Dada
And she
Anjanda,
loved Manmohani Devi as her
Dada.
own.
Anjanda,
And she came to know. Yes.
Dada, your video is not coming well, so you can stop your video and you can share your audio only, Dada.
Prabhakar, do you hear me?
I can hear you, but your video is not coming well. You can stop your video, stop sharing video, and you just make the audio on.
Thank you. Is it okay? Hello.
Dada, stop your sharing video.
I already stopped, Dada. Is it working?
And now it's working, Dada. It's working. Continue, Dada.
Okay, Dada. Thank you. Please let me know if you do hear me. Otherwise, I will not understand. Okay, Dada. Thank you. So, what happened when the Shivcharan Chakraborty's economic condition was bad, and then Amrita Sundari Devi came to know, and she offered the mother of Manmohani, that means Krishna Sundari Devi, please send Shivcharan Chakraborty to my Jamindari. She can work as a manager. And in the meantime, Thakur was born, and Manmohani Devi had 4 children. you know the Thakur had 3 brothers and 2 sisters. That means actually 4 brothers and 2 sisters. That means 6 siblings. Thakur, then Khepuda, Badolda, and Tengrada. 4 brothers. And 2 sisters' name was Shudil and Nirmola. Please remember the name, so it will help you to understand. With 6 children, Monmani Devi was spending time in hardship. So what happened when Amrita Sundari gave the offer to work as a man? Okay. Dada, do you hear me?
Yes, Dada. Continue.
Okay. Okay, now it's all right. So with 6 siblings, Shivcharan Chakraborty came to the Jamindari state of Amrita Sundari Devi and started working in Mymensingh with his 6 children. The name of the children I told: Sisi Thakur Anukul Chandra, Badolda, Khepuda, and Tengrada, the 4 sons and 2 sisters, Shudil and Nirmola. But what happened? He worked in Mymensingh for 4 years as a manager, Mymensingh and Golokpur Kachari. After that, he was given the responsibility of Dhaka's Jamindari. It was in Amirabad. The name of the state, the place of the state was Amirabad. The pathetic incident happened in Amirabad that I am going to tell you. In Amirabad, Thakur's youngest brother, his name was Tengra. Tengrada became very sick, and Monmani Devi was not in Amirabad. Monmani Devi went to Himayatpur. When Monmani Devi went to Himayatpur, Monmani Devi Himayatpur Jayata. Monmani Devi when went to Himayatpur was on Thursday. Respected brothers and mothers, please listen. It was on Thursday. Then Monmani Devi was telling, "Oh, आपको तो Thursday, बृहस्पतिवार मैं हिमायतपुर जाऊंगा, मैं तो दिल से उसको." Monmani Devi was just telling by herself, and that was heard by Sisi Thakur, a little Anukul. Little Anukul always worshipped Monmani Devi as the goddess. So then Thakur said, "Ma, তুই বিশুদ্ধবারের কথা বললি, তুই তো বিশুদ্ধবারের জাত মেরে দিলি, কাম সেরে দিলি, তো না গেলে হয় না? মা, তুই তো বিশুদ্ধবারের, না গেলে হয় না? Is it not possible if you do not start today on Thursday?" But Monmani Devi, he was a little boy, didn't care. She went to Pabna on Thursday from Amirabad by steamer. Then only transport was steamer. What happened? Monmani Devi was living in Himayatpur. In the meantime, Shudil became very sick. Sorry, Tengra became very sick. And then Tengra died. When Tengra was dying, he was asking Thakur, his eldest brother, Sisi Thakur Anukul Chandra, "Dada, brother, तुम हारमोनियम बजाओ." Thakur was playing harmonium. As long as Thakur was playing harmonium, Tengra was very good, no pain, nothing. At the moment Thakur stopped playing harmonium, Tengra was shouting with pains and everything, "Dada, I am going to die. Why you stop playing harmonium?" Thakur was again playing harmonium. and in the end, Tangra died. Thakur explained, directly or indirectly, that was his mother who left Amirabad for Hemayatpur on Thursday, and till the demise of Sri Thakur Anukul Chand in 1969, brothers and mothers, Thakur did not allow anyone to go to any place on Thursday, because Monmoni Devi just mentioned, oh, आज तो बृहस्पतिवार है ना, मेरा दिल तो बृहस्पतिवार से रोना है, नहीं चाहूंगा, नहीं मानता था. And Thakur is the true picture, Thakur is the true ideal, Thakur is the true example whom we can see how one loves his or her mother. That is, the Thakur is the icon. Whenever any disciple in Deoghar or Pabna asked Thakur, I am leaving today, Thakur said, no, this is Thursday, you should not leave. You stay and go tomorrow. Thakur didn't allow anyone. So that was the reason. And then Thakur explained that Tangra's death was so eternal, so developed. And Thakur said, Tangran ninad store thakto. এই জন্য সে গান বাজনা পছন্দ করত, নিনাদ লেভেল he was used to live. That's why he loved music and songs, and during his death he died hearing the sounds of music. So that is the biggest sorrow of Monmoni Devi. After that, as I mentioned, Thakur had the Thakur has 6 siblings, including himself, and 2 sisters. That is Nirmala and Shuril. And once Monmoni Devi came, and it was a biggest sorrow for her. And after a few days, Shuril was so beautiful, and Shuril died. Monmoni Devi used to sleep taking her 2 daughters. And Krishna Sundari Devi used to sleep taking her 4 grandsons. And in a separate house, Shivcharan Chakraborty, as a manager, he used to sleep. That is the body and that is the picture of the house. I'm just giving you the picture. And what happened, in one night, Krishna Sundari Devi, the mother of Monmoni Devi, was asking, Monu, get up your daughters to make them pee, because they used to pee on the bed. And Monmoni Devi was making her daughters, and she noticed that Shuril was not responding. Then she was stopping, Mother, please come. What happened to Shuril? And they went there, doctor came, and they found Shuril died because of the warm pain in her belly. Okay, কৃমি বিকারে মারা গিয়েছিল. In Amirabad, the tragic story is Thakur with his family lived 12 years in Amirabad and Mymensingh. In Mymensingh 4 years, and in Amirabad, Dhaka 12 years. That places, Prabhakarda and others, that places are the very pious place, sacred places for us also, but we do not search for them. The irony is that we do not search for them. That's why I'm telling you this story, Dada. Okay. Then Monmoni Devi was mentally broken down. You know, she lost 2 children, 1 son and 1 daughter in Amirabad. And then she wrote a letter to her guru in Agra, Huzur Maharaj. Then Huzur Maharaj wrote her that I am coming to Kashi. If possible, come. Monmoni Devi came to know that her guru was coming in Kashi, and then Monmoni Devi went to Kashi to meet her guru, and she was crying to her guru's feet, and she was telling Guru that happened. Then Huzur Mahara was telling, Ma, দেশে দেশে ঘুরছিস আর তোর বাচ্চাগুলোকে এক এক জায়গায় তুই রেখে আসছিস, আর কত ঘুরবি, এবার অনেক ঘোরা হলো, এবার ঘরের মেয়ে ঘরে ফিরে যা। तुम तो देश देश घूरता है, तुमको टू बच्चा मर गया, तुम go to your own place, don't move other places. After hearing this, she got the peace and comfort in her mind. She went to Pabna and she told her Shivcharan Chakraborty, and Shivcharan Chakraborty left the job and left little later went to Himayatpur Pabna. And that was the the early life Thakur spent there. And one thing I want to mention, Dada, that while Thakur was living with his parents and brothers and sisters in Amirabad, in Dhaka, then
Dada, Jai Guru,
Dada, how much time?
Dada, it's request one more speaker is there.
Okay.
Just conclude, Dada. It's if it possible, conclude within 2 minutes, Dada.
Okay, Dada, I will try. Just I'm telling.
Thank you.
Dada, then Thakur, Shivcharan Chakraborty got him admitted into one school that is called Raipura School. Till the Raipura is there. It is the one of the sub-district in North Sindhi district. And then Prabhakar and others, I want to tell you one thing that I heard from my Jathamuni, my uncle, the eldest brother of my father. He had the company of Sri Thakur for 28 times. So I heard the story. You will not get this from any books. Thakur one day saw a Pretatma, Atma, ghost, and Thakur got heavy fever. Then Thakur was telling Shivcharan Chakraborty, Baba, there is a ghost here. There is a ghost Atma here. But Shivcharan Chakraborty was listening to it. He was a little boy. And Thakur had severe fever and fell in sick. After that, Shivcharan Chakraborty sent Thakur to Noihati. And Thakur was studying in Noihati High School, where that Thakur was going to appear at the matriculation, but he saw that one of his friends was not able to give the tuition fee. Then Thakur gave the tuition fee and asked him, go and you appear at the examination. And Thakur could not complete the matriculation. So that was the story. But he was in Raipura. Due to that, Thakur was sent by his father to Noihati. That is the reason, Dada. So I think I don't know. I was trying to actually present the very first time that Thakur's childhood. So time is so limited. Probably next time I will go the next phase, how Thakur was doing Lila, and Thakur became Thakur Anukul Chandra, God of the universe from Pabna. That probably if you give time, then next time I will try to see. Prabhakar then and all others. Thank you very much for thank you. Joy Guru to all of you.
It's our great pleasure that you delivered a beautiful speech and delivered the total scenario of Himayatpur Pabna. It's a great pleasure for us. Dada, thank you so much, Jai Guru. And we will expect you in the next time also, Dada.
Thank you.
आज के सत्संग में देवघर से देवीशा गुरु ज्वाइन करने वाली थी, लेकिन आज पूजनीय पिंकी दादा का जन्मदिन है, तो वहां पे पूजनीय पिंकी दादा ने देवीशा गुरु को बुला लिया, इसलिए वो ज्वाइन नहीं कर पा रहे हैं। मैं सुदीपा चक्रवर्ती से आग्रह करता हूं कि एक भजन प्रस्तुत करें।
जय गुरु सभी को। जय तु परम दयाल पुरुषोत्तम, जय तु परम दयाल पुरुषोत्तम, जगन्नाथ हरि विष्णु महेश्वर शाश्वत ठाकुर नाम चिरंतन, जय तु परम दयाल पुरुषोत्तम, जय तु परम दयाल पुरुषोत्तम।
पुरुषोत्तम परम कारुणिक शांतिदाता आदित्य प्रभा मंगल करता परम कारुणिक शांतिदाता आदित्य प्रभा मंगल करता जगत सत्ता चेतन दीपी प्रेमन संपद परम विवर्तन जयतु परम दयाल पुरुषोत्तम जयतु परम दयाल पुरुषोत्तम अनंत उच्छल जीवन दीपना योग विभूति परम वर्तना अनंत उच्छल जीवन दीपना योग विभूति परम वर्तना भागवत पुरुष कलुष त्राता आदर्श पृष्ठ प्राण स्पंदन जयतु परम दयाल पुरुषोत्तम जयतु परम दयाल पुरुषोत्तम चिरअभिनंदित वैशिष्ट्य पाली निर्मल उज्ज्वल अंशुमाली चिरअभिनंदित वैशिष्ट्य पाली निर्मल उज्ज्वल अंशुमाली आदि कारण पूरण पुरुष मुक्ति विधायक धाम श्री चरण जयतु परम दयाल पुरुषोत्तम जगन्नाथ हरि विष्णु महेश्वर शाश्वत ठाकुर नाम चिरंतन जयतु परम दयाल पुरुषोत्तम जयतु परम दयाल पुरुषोत्तम जयतु परम दयाल पुरुषोत्तम जय गुरु
जय गुरु जय गुरु। सत्संग को आगे बढ़ाते हुए मैं अभी श्री विवेक रंजन विश्वास भोपाल से उनसे मैं अनुरोध करता हूँ नारी शिक्षा के ऊपर जाजन प्रस्तुत करें। श्री विवेक रंजन विश्वास भोपाल। दादा जय गुरु। जय गुरु।
दादा वीडियो ऑन ही रहने दो या ऑफ कर दूं?
ऑन रखो, ऑन रखो।
मेरा कोटि कोटि प्रणाम। श्री ब्रह्मा के चरणों में मेरा कोटि कोटि प्रणाम। परम पूज्य पाद आचार्य बरदास के चरणों में मेरा कोटि कोटि प्रणाम। सभी गुरु भाई सभी देवता गणों को मेरा सविनम्र जय गुरु। ठाकुर जी ने बहुत सारी बातें बहुत सारी चीजें सामने तो अगर हम उस हिसाब से चलते हैं लोग उस हिसाब से चलते हैं तो कोई भी परेशानी कभी भी आती है तो उससे हम बहुत अच्छी तरह से निजात पा सकते हैं। तो जो ठाकुर जी ने 8 चीज़ों के बारे में बताया है, मैं बताना चाहूँगा उन 8 चीज़ों के बारे में जो नारी में उनका गुण होता है। तो जो गुण है, एक तो निष्ठा, धर्म, शुश्रूषा, सेवा, संरक्षण, प्रेरणा और सुप्रजनन। तो ये जो गुण है ये हर नारी में होता है। तो अगर देखा जाए कोई भी अच्छी चीज़ होती है या कोई व्यक्ति होता है तो उसमें कुछ न कुछ गुण और कुछ न कुछ अवगुण पाए जाते हैं। तो अगर कोई अवगुण हमारे अंदर ऑटोमेटिक विकसित हो जाता है अगर हम अच्छे गुणों को विकसित नहीं करते हैं। तो अगर अच्छे गुण को विकसित करना है तो उसके लिए ही हमको शिक्षा लेने की ज़रूरत होती है। और वो जो शिक्षा है वो कहाँ से आएगा? अगर हम ठाकुर जी को पकड़ के चलते हैं, बड़मा के जो निर्देश हैं, बड़मा जैसी रहती थी, जैसी उनका चलन था, अगर उनको आइडियल बना के हम लोग चलते हैं, जो माँ लोग उनको फॉलो करें, तो फिर कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आ ही नहीं सकती, क्योंकि हम बड़मा को फॉलो करके चल रहे हैं और उनके निर्देश अनुसार वो जैसी हैं वैसा खुद को बनाने की कोशिश करें, तो फिर कभी भी ऐसा होगा ही नहीं कि हमको कोई प्रॉब्लम आए या फिर किसी तरीके से हम लोग जो समाज में अच्छे से सुव्यवस्थित ढंग से नहीं रह पाएँ, ऐसा, या घर में अशांति, ऐसा कभी नहीं आएगा। तो जो ठाकुर ने कहा था कि ये जो 8 गुण हैं उसमें से सबसे जो इम्पोर्टेंट होता है वो है सुप्रजनन। तो मैं इसके बारे में थोड़ी-सी आलोचना करना चाहूँगा। इसमें ठाकुर जी ने बताया था कि मुझे अच्छे इंसान चाहिए, ऐसा उन्होंने कहा था, मुझे अच्छे इंसान चाहिए। तो उसके लिए जो माता लोग हैं, उन लोगों के लिए बहुत ही अनुरोध था ठाकुर जी को, और वो अनुरोध इसलिए किया था क्योंकि माता लोगों के पास ये जो आशीर्वाद होता है माँ बनने का, वो पुरुषों के पास नहीं होता, और माता लोग काफ़ी मतलब सहनशील होती हैं। उन लोगों के जैसे पुरुष लोगों में सहनशीलता नहीं होती। तो फिर जब ऐसा कहा ठाकुर जी ने, तो वहाँ पे एक दादा थे, उनने कहा कि ठाकुर जी इतने मानुष तो हैं आपके पास, तो फिर और कितना चाहिए? तो जब ठाकुर जी ने कहा था कि सब मानुष हैं, लेकिन एक अच्छा खाँटी जो मानुष है वो बहुत ही कम दुर्लभ है, देखने को नहीं मिलता है। तो वो जो अ, एक चाहत थी, उसके लिए जो माता लोग हैं उन लोगों से निवेदन है कि जो भी सुप्रजनन का जो टॉपिक है उसको बहुत अच्छे से फॉलो करें, और उसके लिए एक बात मैं बताना चाहूँगा जो महाभारत में हुआ था, जिसमें गांधारी जो थी, गांधारी उनका जो विवाह हुआ था, उन जिनके साथ में धृतराष्ट्र जी थे, तो जो धृतराष्ट्र जी थे वे अंधे थे। तो उनके साथ में विवाह इस तरीके से हुआ, धृतराष्ट्र जी गए और उनका मतलब जो भी गांधार था वो विजय करके उनको जबरदस्ती विवाह करके लेके आए, और फिर जो गांधारी थी उनने अपने आंखों में पट्टी बांध ली। तो उनने कहा कि मैं अपने पति की बहुत ही श्रद्धा करती हूँ और इसलिए मैं अपने आंखों में पट्टी बांध रही हूँ। मगर बाद में जब हम महाभारत देखते हैं, ठाकुर जी ने भी बताया कि ऐसा नहीं था, बल्कि हुआ ये था उनके मन में अश्रद्धा थी, जो उन्होंने किया उनके गांधार में, और उनकी पिता की भी हत्या करी। तो उसके बाद पितृहंता के कारण वो उनको माफ कभी नहीं कर पाई, अंदर अश्रद्धा थी। तो फिर वो जो 100 पुत्र जन्म लिए, उनमें से एक भी अच्छा नहीं था, सभी के सभी दुराचारी थे, जिस कारण से ये महाभारत का विनाशकाली युद्ध हुआ और संपूर्ण जो सृष्टि है एकदम भयामय हो गई थी। तो कहने का तात्पर्य ये है कि जितना भी पति के प्रति श्रद्धा होगी, उनका जो पुत्र है वो उतना ही अच्छा होगा, और समाज उतना ही ज़्यादा विकसित होगा, और जो हमारा संपूर्ण विश्व है वो बहुत अच्छे से प्रफुल्लित हो उठेगा। तो सबसे अच्छा यही होता है कि हम लोग ठाकुर जी और बड़मा के शरणापन्न होके चलें, ठाकुर जी का नाम ग्रहण करें और सत्संग का आश्रय ग्रहण करें। तो ठाकुर जी ने एक कथन कहा है सत्यानुसरण में कि सद्गुरु के शरणापन्न हो, सतनाम मनन करो, सत्संग का आश्रय ग्रहण करो, मैं निश्चय कहता हूँ तुम्हें अपने उन्नयन के लिए कभी सोचना नहीं होगा। तो अपने जो प्रगति है वो प्रगति के बारे में हमको नहीं सोचना पड़ेगा, हम तो ठाकुर जी के चरणों में अपना नतमस्तक करते हुए अपना जीवन व्यतीत करेंगे, ठाकुर जी हमारे बारे में सोचेंगे और हमको कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं होगी, बस उनकी जो बातें हैं उनको अच्छे तरीके से अपने जीवन में उतार के चलना है। और समय काफी ज्यादा हो गया है, मैं माफी चाहूंगा कुछ अगर गलत बोल चुका हूँ तो। इतना कह के मैं अपना जो है वो समाप्त करता हूँ। धन्यवाद। जय गुरु।
जय गुरु, बहुत अच्छा जाजन। आज पूजनीय बिंकी दादा का जन्मदिन है। आज जो हमारे इंदौर में भूमि पूजन हुआ था 10 जनवरी, पूजनीय बिंकी दादा ने आके भूमि पूजन किया। ये आज हमारे लिए परम सौभाग्य है। आज उनका जन्म दिन है और इस ऑस्पिशियस ओकेशन में दादा बांग्लादेश से जुड़े थे। इसके बाद भजन प्रस्तुत किया चेन्नई से सुमानी माँ, और जाजन प्रस्तुत किया विश्वास दादा। तो सत्संग को यहीं पे समाप्त कर रहा हूँ और